Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have this super cute Christmas banner to share with you guys. You guys know that I made one for Halloween and it had a bunch of embellishments, a bunch of goodies. I like packed it up. I kind of wanted to make another one. I didn't go crazy on this one with embellishments, but I did decorate it quite a bit using the crepe paper Merry Days. Merry Days collection. I'll have everything linked down below if you guys want to pick up that collection. And yeah, hopefully this video inspired you guys to create your own banner for your pen pals. And yes, like I said, I used the Merry Days paper pad. I also used this Lawn Fawn polka dot paper to back all the papers that I cut from the Merry Days pad. Just to give it that little layered look, I used white pom-poms and I just used one little trim here just to give it like a standout. So I wanted to do like 3 on this side, 3 on this side, and then this one right here, but I just decided to stop at 6. So that's that. I could have made one more, but I didn't want to, you guys. And I still like the way it turned out. So I sewed like I did with my previous Halloween banner. I sewed all the flags. So all the papers are attached by being sewn together. Of course, I did my shaker. And yeah, let me show you guys the first part. I did twine. I didn't do ribbon with the Halloween one. I think I did ribbon. I did do the punching with the crocodile. But here's the first one. And it has this super cute like chipboard piece from the Fa La La collection from last year. And then we have this little piece here that says the most wonderful time of the year. I did a bunch of little gemstones. This was a chipboard, but then I found this little fuzzy star and I placed it right on top. And that's what the first page looks like. I think it turned out so cute, you guys. And these little sequins pieces, I think they came with the chipboard because I did not put that there. I should have put some gifts underneath here. I might still do that. And then, of course, I did a shaker. The Merry Days collection had this sheet of paper that said Jingle All the Way. So I figured that'd be cute to leave in the back. And then I just put this little snowflake here and some sequins in the inside with the tulle. And then the next page is this one right here. And there's just a cute little ephemera piece from the collection that says Dear Santa, the little tree. These are some little snowman stickers I found in my stash, as well as this little reindeer, which I think is adorable. I added a cute little bow here, I think from the Amy Tangerine. And then of course the cute little stones and little puffy stickers from both Fa La La and Merry Days. This one is pretty simple. It just has this cute little trim, and then it has like a little doily and the little card from the Merry Days ephemera pack. Added another little bow to the wreath and some gemstones to the corner and this cute little Christmas tree. So it's simple, but I kind of still like it. This one right here is one of my favorite pages. And it's just double doilies. And then we have this cute little ephemera piece that says Merry and Bright. I added the little Santa Claus, a little gemstone to his hat. This little chipboard that says Ho Ho Ho. And then the little car right here with the presents. I absolutely love the way this page turned out. It's not crazy embellished, but it still looks super cute. And all the other banners have the same thing, the white little pom-pom on the bottom. And then the last page is this one, and it just has like a little cluster of tags that came in the collection. So we have tag right here and a tag right here. I added some little red ribbons, and this is like a chipboard tag that came in the Fa La La collection. And then I just added like this little cork bow and a cute little snowman right here. But yeah, you guys, that is my little Christmas banner. And I think these are super fun to share with your pen pals, just to give as a gift for the season or for yourself and just hang it up around your house. They're super fun to make, and you can make them as long as you want. You can make them as short as you want. You can make them as small as you want. There's so many options for you to create them or customize them to what you like. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys enjoy making banners, and let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I upload my next video. and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.